Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Ashley. I am the president and owner of Cozy Oasis. We take care of Airbnbs. And I came here to just talk to you guys about how to elevate the value of your Airbnbs. That's pretty much what this channel is about. Each video is going to just be some tips and tricks, some strategies, and how to maximize your profits. And the way to maximize your profits is to increase your value and improve the guest experience. So, for today, we're going to talk about your bedroom. Some 5 easy, affordable ways that you can increase the value of your bedroom in your Airbnbs. Number 1, blackout curtains. They can be extremely convenient for people who are international guests. And wherever you are, the sun is rising. Wherever they're from, the sun is setting. So having blackout curtains could be an added benefit for them. Or for people who just simply don't want to wake up early and they just want to sleep in. They've been traveling for 12 hours just to get there. You know, Times Square can wait a couple of hours. They want to sleep. So blackout curtains are my number 1 tip for increasing the value of your bedroom. Number 2, duvet covers. Duvet covers for quilts and comforters. I always advise people to get duvet covers. Some people just like to do quilts. But speaking from the point of view as a guest, as well as an Airbnb expert, I can tell you that for guests, when they're coming to your home and they're wrapping themselves up in your quilt, they may feel a little bit icky because they're wondering, when was the last time this was washed? How old is this? Who was the last person that slept in it? It's just not the vibe you want to give. But if you do a duvet cover, which is pretty much a pillowcase for quilts and comforters, you wash that every time and dry it, and you put it over the comforter, and hotels do this as well. It feels a little bit better for the guests. So duvet covers, definitely number 2 tip for your Airbnb, and they can match your pillowcases and sheets. They come in sets. Number 3, full-length mirrors. Full-length mirrors are great for bedrooms, or you can put them by the front door so people can check out how they look on the way out. Full-length mirrors are great for people who have multiple guests, and you don't want people hogging the mirror in the bathroom. They can use their own full-length mirror that's in their bedroom. The full-length mirror could be hanging from the back of the door or hanging on the wall, so it doesn't take up that much space. It's just flat. Some of them are standalone, which is cute as well. But it's great for guests so they can see how they look. They don't take up too much time in the bathroom. And yeah, it elevates their experience. Number 4, charging stations. I only recently, thought about this. This is great for guests to be able to charge their phone right at the side of the bed on the nightstand, charge their phone overnight. Make sure you also have those plugs, European plugs, because sometimes people are like, oh, I'll buy them when I get there. And they get there and they're like, oh, it's really expensive to get it at the airport. I'll wait till I get to my Airbnb and find something locally. And they may not find something. So it'd be great to add that, to give that to them. Those plugs or charging stations right next to the nightstand. And the last tip that I have are coat hooks. Coat hooks, they can buy them individually or as a row, hang them at the back, on the back of the bathroom door or the bedroom door. They can hang up their coat, they can hang up their towels, robes, bags, hats, things like that. It's just a great way for them to be able to, neatly put their stuff away, or preventing them from having to leave wet towels on the floor or wet towels on chairs or beds, stuff like that. It's a nice place for them to be able to put their stuff. So those are the 5 tips that I have. Let's just recap. Blackout curtains, 2 duvet covers, please, 3 full-length mirrors, 4 charging stations, and lastly, coat hooks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I like to keep it short and quick to the point. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please just comment down below and we'll get it done, and keep it short and quick and fun. All right, thank you guys. Bye.